Good evening, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here live in Willis, and I wanted to give you an update on tonight's storm. Still looking at tornado watch for the northern and western parts of the ArkLaTex until 1 a.m. Luckily, we do not have any warnings out there, which is great news after a very active evening throughout the northern parts of the ArkLaTex, where we did see a few confirmed tornadoes, one across the northern parts of McCurtain County in southeast Oklahoma. Also saw one near Canton into East Texas. Let's go to radar. Show you what's going on this evening. You can see right now I'm still looking at quite a bit of showers and thunderstorms. We also see some very heavy rain from the Queen, Clarksville, back down towards Mount Pleasant. I'll show you those totals in just a tad bit. So let's first go to the radar. You can see lots of heavy rain from Hope and Prescott down towards Texarkana. See some heavy rain working its way out of Mount Pleasant, even down into Camp County, and see more thunderstorms back down towards Tyler. These thunderstorms will slowly drift towards the south and east, although the individual cells are moving more towards the northeast. So looks as if right now the tornado threat is beginning to wane. Looks as if right now severe weather threat is also beginning to wane as the main dynamics are moving further away from us. However, we could still possibly see a strong thunderstorm between now and to the overnight hours of Thursday morning, and also see potentially some localized flooding, as we have seen lots of heavy rain this evening. Let's go back to the rainfall amounts. These are radar estimates showing you that we have seen some very high totals, especially west of the ArkLaTex. Some of those reds and purples you see there just north of Tyler. Radar is estimating amounts between 4 to 6 inches there. And near Mount Pleasant, seeing between 4 inches there. Near Clarksville, about 3 to 4 inches. So that's why we have a flash flood watch out for the northern parts of the ArkLaTex through tomorrow morning, as we will continue to see slow-moving thunderstorms working its way through the area, which could cause some localized flooding concerns. And again, we have seen our fair share of showers and thunderstorms during the month of May. And again, it doesn't cause much. It causes some localized flooding concerns because the grounds right now are very saturated. So let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast so we can see what we can expect over the next couple of hours tonight into the day on your Thursday morning. So as we get into tonight, Futurecast and the HRRR model, is showing the line of thunderstorms continuing to weaken as it moves towards the south and east. And again, the dynamics will move further away from us, which will allow for these thunderstorms to weaken quite a bit, although we still need to watch out for the potential for seeing the heavy rain, which could lead to some localized flooding in spots. The thunderstorms will continue to weaken as they approach Shreveport around 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning. But as the cold front sinks south of Shreveport, and with daytime heating, we'll see a few afternoon hit or miss thunderstorms again south and east of Shreveport on the cold front. The good news is those thunderstorms should not be strong to severe, as you're looking at just regular thunderstorms there. And then as the sun goes down, thunderstorms will fall apart as you look at partly cloudy skies for Thursday night. And for Friday, looking at a very warm afternoon, a slight rain chance is possible. Otherwise, looking at hot conditions with temperatures for your Friday into the upper 80s. We'll bump those temperatures up into the lower 90s as we get into today on your Saturday, as a ridge of high pressure tries to build over the area, which could lead to some very warm temperatures beginning next week. We may see temperatures into the middle 90s, although we'll still have enough moisture and humidity to where we could see a few hit or miss thunderstorms throughout the day, Sunday into next Tuesday. So let's show you the 7-day forecast in case you missed it tonight. So again, we'll see those thunderstorms continuing for tonight into Thursday morning. Again, looking at scattered thunderstorms for Thursday afternoon, mainly from Shreveport towards the south and also towards the east. Looking at a slight rain chance for Friday and Saturday. Otherwise, we'll see temperatures into the upper 80s or 90s Friday and Saturday. And then we'll see hot temperatures Sunday into next Wednesday, where temperatures into the middle 90s. We'll see lows into the 60s and 70s. So looking at more of a summertime pattern as the ridge of high pressure builds over the area Sunday into Wednesday. And again, maybe seeing a few afternoon thunderstorms here or there, otherwise looking very hot. So again, have to get through this evening to the first part of Thursday morning. Then we'll see the weather conditions much improved Friday into next week. Again, with temperatures remaining hot into the 80s and 90s. Lows tonight into the 60s and 70s. Everyone have a great night. Stay safe. Stay weather alert. We'll talk with you tomorrow afternoon.